So today we've got an exercise that works stability and the posterior chain in a single leg deadlifting type fashion. It's called the ABC reach or the 3-point reach, or it's called whatever you want. All you're gonna do is you're gonna line up 3 kettlebells, or really 3 of anything, water bottles, if you've got orange cones, anything that you can reach and touch. And the exact distance they are is really going to depend on the limb length of the person, right? These are probably 1.5 feet or less apart each, and then your stance is basically where another kettlebell would go to form a square. And this is a single leg exercise where you need to control your movement and not go too fast, or else you'll probably tip over. So the goal is to not have to actually put the other leg down. And we're doing a single leg deadlift. When we touch the kettlebell to our left, we're gonna use our right hand. When we touch the kettlebell to our right, we're gonna use the left hand. The object furthest away in the front, we're gonna touch with both hands. A slight twist, slight bend at the knee, like a Romanian deadlift. Come all the way back up, maintain that stability. You can't go too fast. It might seem easy at first and you try to go too fast and touch it because it's so close and you'll end up falling over. Let's do the other foot. Remember, we're doing a cross reach, touch, back up. See, I'm maintaining a slight bend in the knee, but I'm also not doing a full like single leg squat. Slight bend, mostly a hip hinge, touch, and then that twist. This twist might be most difficult for most people. All right, that's the single leg ABC reach, which is an excellent sagittal and multi-plane stability and posterior chain movement. If you like this video, you can go ahead and click on my face right there, which will subscribe you to get more great exercises from me and future content. If you want to see more great videos right away, we've got some for you.